Tonight is National Night Out for 2023. It's an evening for us to get out and meet with the public, and more importantly, it's a chance for the public to get out and meet their neighbors, so you know who lives next door and down the street from you. It just makes for better relationships in our neighborhoods.
How are you?
I am doing well.
They see it all. This probably is a really good time for them where they can just say, hey, I can smile and meet the people.
Why we come out and do these things is so that people really realize that we are human too. We love to interact with people. Our mission is to connect with community and let them know that we're here in more than one way, right? So not only for emergencies, but for toys too.
The Volkswagen Bug, her name is Miss Siren, is what she's commonly called. I've also called her one half, as noted by her personalized license plates. This is our oldest car in the fleet for the City of Arvada Police Department. It's a 1974 Volkswagen Bug. This vehicle was donated to us by an officer named Ed McCarthy. He was an officer from 1959 to 1981. He was what I would consider one of our first SROs. So this is a very special piece of history for the Arvada Police Department. And I've been driving her for about approximately the last 4 years to several of these different community events that I can get her out to. And whenever we go out, it's always somebody smiling.
I had a friend in high school that had one, and he was a great car to have. You know, $2 worth of gas back then took you all day.
It's one of those opportunities that we have to be able to talk about something that's not police related and to bring smiles to people within Arvada.
If the cops are and the firemen are out together and they show that camaraderie and they show that they're part of the public, people get to like them more.
We have some lanyards.
I have brought a lot of swag this year. I brought a bunch of different new things. I've got poker chips this year, some lanyards, various other things, and I like getting those out and handing them out. And it's one of the easy ways to get, say, our non-emergency phone number to the folks of Arvada, so if they need us, they can get a hold of us.